Hello, I'm John Russell. Let's explore the funniest sound in the English language, the vowel sound When you are having fun, you are probably relaxed. That's important to remember because relaxation will help you make the sound. When you make the sound, your lips should be relaxed and slightly apart. Your tongue should also be relaxed and in a middle position in your mouth. When I say the sound is a fun sound, it's because a lot of English words that relate to fun have the sound. Fun, summer, love, drunk. The sound has a few common spelling patterns. The letter U, as in but, fun, summer. The letter O, as in sun, love, done. And the letters OU, as in cousin, country, enough. A word about International Phonetic Alphabet, or IPA. Sometimes you will see this symbol, and sometimes you will see this symbol. Don't worry about the difference just yet. I'll talk about that in a later video. For now, go practice the sound, and don't forget to have fun. Keep up the good work.